God, oh my God, oh my God. Hi guys, Stephen R. Ford from R. Ford Fortune, creating fortunes for the future. Today we're going to take a little bit of a tutorial and to teach you who wants to make good videos, using your smartphone. And of course, you can see it's probably straight there in the orange for us. Firstly, you got to download it. It's a free screen capture or video capture, and it's called X Recorder. Let's open it up. Oh, what's happened? Okay, what's happened here? X Recorder. There we go. Download the app, and you get access to using this beautiful software to record all these videos that you wish to record on your smartphone. So let's browse through what we can do with it. Now, there's a lot of things you can do with it, okay? I use it for recording, say, my business online, or more business online. Now, there are many things you can do. Don't worry about people hacking your account. As long as you've got a pretty good password, you should be fine. But anyway, as long as you're not showing too much of your information, like personal details and a bank account or whatever, don't show those up on your recording. Avoid all that at all cost. Okay, now I'm just showing you the sort of things you can capture. And as you can capture also all your friends online. There's so many things that you can do with it. Okay, now what's important is, what can you use it for? What can you use it for? I mean, you can use it to capture games. I love this game. Oh, actually, since you're here, I'm going to teach you about this game. This game actually pays you. Now, there's so many people who are looking for games, what they can use, to play games online and get paid for. I guarantee you this beautiful game pays you. Now, all you got to do is download it. Hold on, let me look for it. It's somewhere here, somewhere. It's called Just Play. Let me show the app first. Let's get rid of everything else. Oh, as you can see, I've got heaps of apps. Here we go. This is the app that you need to download. So, what we've got? Just Play. Just Play. Okay, let me click on it. Just Play. There we go. Now, I got already $8.44 to go. I mean, I already made that. That's what I mean. So I'm just sharing with you certain things that you can actually play online for free. This is free, and the app pays you. Okay? Now, I'm going to show you my rewards. Now, this is my reward so far that has paid me. See? Easy money. I wouldn't say easy money because you've got to play the bloody games. But it is a game that you can play online or using a smartphone and actually pays you. And I'm not joking. These are my payments. These are real. Okay? It's not going to make you a rich person, but at least that's a little bit of income when you're not doing anything, or you're even sitting on a toilet seat. You could be using this time to make money for yourself using Just Play. It's free. All you got to do is download it, start playing. Oh, and by the way, only play the games, okay? Watch me closely. Up on the top left corner, there's a cross. Click on it. That will allow you to access the games. Now, only play the games within this app. Do not go out of this app. Do not. Because if you go out of this app, this app won't pay you. Just play. Because a lot of these games, it's going to entice you to go outside it to join another playing app. Don't be fooled, because most of those apps that I have played, they've never paid a cent to me. Only Just Play is the only app that I have noticed it puts money into my PayPal account. All the rest are all promises, and they want you to pay money just to release your own money. Now that's crazy. Just Play gives you that accessibility to make you enjoy a little bit of game and you get paid. Now, let's go back to what we were talking about in this video, how to capture video using X Recorder. Now, you're watching this now because I'm using this app to do so. That's the main point. Now, how are you going to use it? It's up to you. What you're going to use it for, it's entirely up to you. I've just shown you the app to do it. As you can see down the bottom with the red button, that timer's up. I've been recording for 5 minutes. And preferably, if you're going to use recording, for example, to say put up on YouTube, you can use this too. But I use this particular app, X Recorder, to record it. I upload it straight away up to YouTube. And from YouTube, once it's up online, then I re-download it onto my computer so I can be able to edit it. You can use editations on these apps, these recorders, but I'm not too sure how to use it. But I found it was easier just to upload it to YouTube from my phone, then download it back down onto my computer that I work with to utilize my editing software. But there you go, my friend. I've given you 2 subjects for today. How to use a X Recorder to capture a video and screenshots. And of course, you got a freebie. I gave you a free game. Just play. Download Just Play and start playing. And you'll see your money, as I said to you. You will start to see your money grow. Not grow. You start getting paid from playing games online. Now, if you want to see, I can take that $8 out. Just watch. Watch the video. I'm going to take it out now to show you. It actually goes directly to PayPal. Cash out. Let's cash out. Oh my God, let's cash out. Show it to you, my $8.44. Now, here we go. I'm going to press on cash out with PayPal. Okay, there we go. Now, it's all done, and I'm going to press OK. And up she goes to my PayPal account. My rewards is straight away. Congratulations to me. Thank you that I have been paid by Just Play. Congratulations. There we go. It's been sent. Now the reward has been sent and I'm a happy boy. Now that's come back to $8.44 there. So you can see back to the game, and I should have a 0 balance. There you go. 0 balance, waiting for me to play more games. Now, this is the best game I've found to play, because the more time you play in the game, I think about 3 minutes, you got to stay in it, and they will give you the rewards. This is the one I love to play. Now, the longer time you play in the game, the more money you can make. Now, it's a stupid game, I know. You're not going to be a rich man or be successful playing this game. But it's just a game, and it pays you. Isn't that crazy? Oh my God. I know it's crazy, but try it, and that's my gift for you for 2023. Well, there you go. Look at that. Look at all that money just coming into your account. But anyway, these promotions, go through the promotions, the video. It will tell you when you are paid, because the time will lapse, and that's where you can click this out of the promotion. You got to. This is another part of how you get paid. Now, once the ad is up, click on the cross up the top corner. That takes you back in your game. That's just a promotion. You get paid by it, and that's how these games also get paid by for you. Watching the ad. Now, the more I play the game, the longer I'm here playing this game. I'll show you a part where it actually shows you how or when the machine is ready to sort of pay you, for example. Okay, so just play the game. Now, this particular game, it can be a bit slow. As you can see, the ball coming out. If you wanted to go faster, I'll show you. This button will come up just in the blue section, and it says, hold on, let me play the game first to show you. It will come up forward, fast forward now. In this blue section down the bottom, it will come up a button, will come up, say, fast forward now. Just press on that button as often as you can, and it speeds up the ball. So instead of waiting for it, going at normal speed, you supercharge it just by pressing that button at the bottom. Speeds up the game so you can get on and get some money in your bank account. So simple, isn't it? Anyway, I hope I have given you one simple game. And of course, I'm recording this video on X recorder, just to give you a bit of an idea. Now, I'll continue playing this game. But once you're out, just reset the game and play again. Remember I said the longer you sit on that and play the game, the more money you're going to be earning. But like I said, this is the game I like to play, so I'm just going to play it to show you how it all works. Like I said, it's not going to be making you a rich person, but if you're just sitting around chewing your fingernails, nothing to do, play this game and fast forward now. Oh, I've just speeded it up by pushing that button down the bottom. I know it can get a bit boring after a while, so speeding up the process, speeding up the ball going by, or speeds up the payday, for example. Okay. Anyway, now let me see if I can kill myself first, then I stop the game. Then I'll show you how much, if any payment has come through just for that short space of time. Let me keep playing it so I can show you the payments. Let's speed that baby up. Okay. Okay, I'm dead. Now, let's have a look at the game. It hasn't paid me any money yet for that short space of time. Oh, okay, now a bit of ad. Get rid of the ad. Let's go back to the beginning. Now, oh yeah, see that red line that just come up the top there? Now, when that red line goes to green, you're eligible then for the next pay. I haven't qualified yet, so if you play until this red line has reached the other side, it says gold on the right of the game, then you have reached the time for payment. And that's it. That's how easy it is. But anyway, my friends, hopefully I'm giving you a little bit of sections to or job to do anyway. But anyway, this is Stephen from my Fortune, creating fortune for the future. Have a wonderful day, play the game, record yourself and have fun and post it up on YouTube. And the goal is to try and get 1,000 subscribers in your YouTube channel, so Google can start paying you a little bit of cash in that area too. That's part of the processes of building an online business. Okay, love you. Catch you later on my next video. Bye for now.